Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox unexpected client behavior problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, all you need to do, just type here Windows update settings, and then click check for updates. And now after that, just make sure to install all the updates that you will find here, and then type here run. Then type here %local app data % and click OK. And here scroll down until you find Roblox, and then go to select those three files and click delete. And after that, go to versions. Now you need to find the recently updated file. This one, here's it. You can just right click here and then start by and select date modified, and that's it. Here you will find it. Now delete app settings, and if you can't find it, just delete this folder. Click delete, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.